Peculiar first day of harvest, best luxury olive oil. This exceptionally fruity and buttery Spanish extra virgin olive oil is one of the freshest you can get. Made from olives cold pressed on the first day of the harvest, when they are at peak ripeness, it has all of the classic hallmarks of a champion unrefined avou. As well as a beautifully vibrant color, Peculiar's limited edition oil is bursting with fresh, grassy flavors, spicy pepper and a hint of the vine tomato. Unlike some extra virgin oils, the peppery flavor is welcomingly subtle and is more like tingle at the back of your throat, rather than a lip-puckering wave of spice. This olive oil is best enjoyed with salted, crusty bread or over a classic salad, and should be consumed as soon as possible to make the most of the delicate flavors. Filippo Berio Extra Virgin, best cheap extra virgin olive oil. Usually when the words cheap and olive oil are seen together, the end product isn't exactly pleasant. But, if you're on a tight budget and still want to enjoy that creamy of a taste, Filippo Berio's extra virgin olive oil is a great compromise. While you won't get any groundbreaking flavors from this oil, it's still delightfully rich in color and flavor, with peppery, leafy notes that linger in your mouth. It's on the spicier side, but not unpleasantly so, and is best enjoyed with foods that can handle the robust flavor. We like ours for bread dunking or tossed through some freshly roasted vegetables, but it's great with rich pasta sauces too. Clare Spring Tunisian Extra Virgin, best Tunisian olive oil. Tunisia might not be the first country that springs to mind when you think of olive oil, but they are actually the fourth largest producer in the world, and the largest producer of organic olives full stop. This organic Tunisian avou from Clare Spring is wonderfully clean and fruity, showcasing the best the country has to offer. Unlike some extra virgin oils, this oil can be used for both finishing dishes and for frying up to 190 degrees Celsius. It imparts a wonderful, subtle green olive flavor to whatever it's added to and is as good drizzled on salad as it is mixed through pasta. If you find Italian or Spanish olive oil too harsh, this delicate virgin olive oil is a great choice. La Espanola olive oil, best everyday cooking oil. Everyone needs a good avou for drizzling and dipping, but you should also invest in a half-decent basic olive oil for everyday cooking. Made from a mix of refined oil and extra virgin oils, La Espanola is a wonderfully affordable everyday cooking oil. The delicate flavor makes it ideal for frying and baking, adding just a hint of olive oil flavor to any dish you're preparing. This oil's bottle comes with a retractable spout, making it easier to control how much you pour out at one time. Better still, the dark green bottle helps protect it from harsh daylight, which can speed up the deterioration of olive oil. Put simply, it's well designed, affordable and tastes great in everyday cooking. Thanks for watching. You'll find all the links down below the video. Subscribe to the channel.